Guys, so it is Tuesday, November 26th, 2013, and if you guys don't know, I live in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, and we get pretty severe winters here. That's not to say that we live in winter all year round. I think there's a big misconception about people who live in Canada in general, that we live in igloos or something like that. That's not the case. It's just like Florida in the summertime here, or California. We get beautiful, hot, sunny temperatures. Sometimes we hit like 100 degrees. We just calculate it in Celsius. So yes, we do get cold temperatures in the winter, but we also get the total opposite end of the spectrum in the summer and really extreme hot temperatures. That said, we're supposed to be getting a huge snowstorm tonight. It started snowing a little bit, but it almost looks like rain or hail. It doesn't really look like big snowflakes falling from the sky, but I thought since there's this huge hype surrounding this snowstorm we're supposed to be getting tonight, I thought that I would vlog a little bit tonight, show you guys what it looks like outside right now, and then tomorrow morning when I'm on my way to work, I can just imagine what my car is going to look like, likely covered in tons of snow, and just wake up to a winter wonderland. We've had a little bit of snow this past weekend, so we have a bit on the ground, but we can still see the grass, and it's pretty dry. You can see, I know it's a little bit hard to see through the windows of my apartment, but you can see it's pretty dark out there, and if we look down at the street, you know, there's a bit of snow, but it's pretty much just wet. But it's still quite clear. And I wouldn't say that I can really see the snow falling. And if you look down, you can see there's some snow on the ground, but there's definitely still grass. So it's about 9 o'clock and it's really snowing now. You can see the streets are covered in snow and it's really coming down. So can only imagine what it's gonna look like in the morning. Oh my goodness, you guys, it is a winter wonderland out there. I'm gonna turn you around and show you what I saw this morning when I woke up. Okay, I'm all dressed. I'm ready to go tackle the snow. I've got my big TNA winter jacket on, boots from spring from last year that are just like a casual commute boot. I've got my mitts, I've got my scarf, and let's go do this. Oh God. And there's my car. Completely covered. Oh my goodness. This is how much I've been plowed in. The snow is at the top of my door. Like the bottom of my door, sorry, where I get in. And I got a ticket for parking on the road overnight. I'm all done shoveling or like getting all the snow off my car. There's literally a foot of snow on my car. Let's see how much this ticket is. $65. Awesome. And I knew that too. I knew there was a snow advisory warning and that I shouldn't be parking on the street, but I was too lazy at like 10:30 to come out and move my car because I was already in bed, and serves me right. Anyways, I just tried to get out. I'm completely stuck. My car is rear-wheel drive, which is not ideal for snow, but I'm like plowed in, so I'm gonna try again. And I'm out. My super saw me like shoveling with my hands on the road, and he came and shoveled a space in front of my car so I could pull out. It took about 4 attempts, and then I managed to drive out. So I'm on my way to work now. It's crazy. It's like a crazy, crazy snowstorm. I don't even know if I should be driving down this road, actually. Oh, shoot. Oh, my goodness. I think, oh, God. I'm just like, my back tires are just spinning. Oh, my God. Okay, I gotta go.